I'm out here in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna drag you the Duramax, see how this thing does. Hope you guys enjoy it. Ooh, this thing got power. This is so much faster than anything I own. Man, I'm gonna need a parachute. I'm gonna need something. Hope this dump truck doesn't hit me. Exhaust brake instead of parachute. Try this again. Traction off. We'll start first traction on.
30, 60. Quarter mile.
Got this new window mount for the phone. So far works pretty good. I'm gonna try it out in the race car next time I go to the track with Nigel. It'll be Carolina No Time at House of Hook in Jackson, South Carolina on the 15th this month. Yeah, I'll probably have to zip tie the phone on it. I don't think the phone's gonna be able to actually hold. I think the mount will hold on the window, but I doubt the phone's gonna stay in the mount in the race car. But we'll see. But I'm on my way to go buy some methanol right now. Some good VP M1. My meth kit gets delivered today. We're going out to Speed Barn in Lumberton, North Carolina. It's a drive away from where I live, but it's close to where I used to live. And I'm the type of guy, like, once I find a place I like to shop, I just keep going there. Like, I don't care if they're not the cheapest, but they always have good customer service there. They've always had what I needed every time I go there. They're cool people, so I'll continue going there, even though it's a little bit further drive for me. I don't mind driving a little bit to support the same companies I've always supported. So I'll check back in later with you guys. And this is where I'm gonna fast forward it and cut the sound up because I want to listen to music on the away. I'm gonna turn off the recording for a while. I'll turn it back on when I'm close to Speed Barn. There's a...
Police reported ahead.
Yep, still there. Good checking out ways. But yep, I'll check back in when I'm close to Speed Barn. Going to get the methanol, and we'll see you later. We're about 5 miles away. We'll get off the interstate in about 1.5 miles up here, so we're almost there. Almost time to get our meth. I'm sure I could have got meth in Fayetteville, like Walmart or something, but you know, I'd rather get some methanol and say crystal meth. So Speed Barn's on the left of this building. So if you guys are ever in this area and come here, go to the left entrance, and that's Speed Barn. Got some 10 gallons of M1. Should be good to go now. It's here. Got my meth kit. What comes out next? I don't know how to read. I need 2 hands for this. Got my 2-gallon trunk tank, all the lines, fittings, wires, relays, triggers, whatever else is in here that I need to read. Got 10 gallons of M1, should be good to go.
It ain't over yet, McGavin. The way I see it, we've only just begun.